Economic and social benefits of Vibrostone column construction. Low construction costs. The construction equipment for Vibrostone columns is relatively simple, and it can be applied in a wide range of working conditions without the need for extensive earthwork transportation or complex construction techniques. It effectively reduces project costs. Rapid construction speed. The construction of Vibrostone columns allows foundation treatment to be completed within a short time frame, effectively reducing the project schedule and enhancing its overall economic benefits. Environmentally friendly. The slurry generated during conventional Vibro Replacement construction can be treated on-site, meeting environmental protection requirements. Additionally, the dry construction method can be employed, eliminating slurry pollution and enhancing the social benefits of the project.